finding ways to live slowly in a fast-paced world. I struggled with slowing down for years, especially when I was a single mom raising small children. The idea of simplifying and slowing down was completely lost on me at that time in my life. I thought to slow down, I would need to live in the country and have no obligations so that I could just relax and do nothing. 25 years later, I have a completely different perspective on what slow living means. The lifestyle of slow living is against the cultural norm that faster is better. A slow living mindset encourages you to live in self-awareness and make intentional decisions for the benefit of your well-being. This quote by Dolly Parton really sums it all up for me. Don't get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. I was stuck in a mental loop that I had to prove to myself my own self-worth until I finally accepted that I am enough. Before loving myself just as I was, I would chase after the idea that I needed to be better than I was, more successful, more important, healthier, and make more money. Always racing to do more, be more. 3 powerful words. I am enough. Changed how I saw my value. Overscheduling can become a mental addiction. In my early 20s and 30s, I felt as though if I didn't have every minute booked, I was just being lazy. Instead of striving to do everything, now I focus on doing things better. Often that means slowing down, doing less, and prioritizing spending the right amount of time on things that matter most to me. Giving myself permission to stop trying to do it all was incredibly freeing. Tomorrow is not promised, so enjoy the time you have today. Slow down by being present in the time that you spend with those you love. Nothing is more valued than the people in our lives. As I walk with my grandson on the beach and watch my son play with his son, my whole world stops. And all that exists is this tiny moment. Each moment I have with my family is truly cherished. Every home has an energy. Intentionally creating a peaceful ambiance in my home radiates a calm and gentle energy, evoking the calming feeling I desire by putting on soft ambient music and lighting a simple candle. It always surprises me how the tiniest adjustments in my home can reduce chaos and invite calm. It's not always easy to keep an entire home clutter-free, and everyone speaking in hushed tones, especially with large families or little kids. Designating a sanctuary corner, complete with a comfy seat and a side table for my journal and essential oils, is a place that I can slow down and reflect. It's a little oasis away from the busy demands of life that is a great way to help me reset my day, if only for a few minutes. Slow living means finding ways to live better instead of racing through life on autopilot. To adopt a slower mindset is to switch off autopilot and make space for reflection and self-awareness. Self-inquiry questions like, how can I slow down today? Or, what things can I let go of that no longer serve me? These simple questions are wonderful ways to tune in. I remember being so rushed that I would eat on the run, literally eating while walking, driving, even cleaning my house. Slowing down long enough to savor my meal brought awareness and gratitude for the food that fuels my body. Enjoying the process of cooking or baking, mindfully relishing in the texture and warmth of the soft dough, the delicious smell of the baking bread that fills my home, and of course, the delicious taste of the warm bread with jam turns a simple snack into an event. With work and family always pulling at us from all directions, it seems at times we are the last ones to get our attention. Making time to replenish my emotional bucket pays back tenfold. I can't give to those I care about if I'm depleted and just exhausted. Even a few minutes of peace and quiet, of slowing down each day nourishes my spirit. Boredom is a gift. Instead of reaching for a device to occupy my spare time or just entertain me, I lean in to boredom. Just as it was when I was a little girl growing up in the Rocky Mountains, it is in the times of boredom that I actually tap into my authentic self. I'm more creative, spontaneous, and I enjoy the little things. Life tends to move slower when I observe the world around me. The simple act of getting out of my own head to notice the life around me, this is living. The tiniest nuances of the world, like the clouds during sunset, bring a sense of peace and appreciation for this day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate all of your support. Please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day, my friends.